Hey everyone, it's me again and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name's Faith Grenade and I put makeup videos here on YouTube most of the time. You should subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. So much action. Today, you've stumbled across Faith's Finds, which is usually a haul or an unboxing of some kind, or just, things that I have found, discovered in my adventures. And today, I'm excited, because today we are unboxing an uncanny creature. Now, what are uncanny creatures? Well, this woman named Anna, who lives in the UK, makes these creatures that are basically collectible plushies. They're like art pieces that bridge the uncanny valley. Now, the uncanny valley is sort of this period in this point in art, or this point in AI that is more human-like than we're comfortable with, but not quite totally human. Do you know what I mean? It's that bridged gap between robot or artificial and human. There's a little gap in between where they're a little bit more human than robot, but not quite all the way human, so it's kind of creepy. These little critters are creepy cute, kind of different critters that have realistic facial features. And she learned about the uncanny valley and Dadaism and stuff like that in art school, and she used it to start making these creatures. I found her on a video on Facebook at first, and I fell in love with her work. I fell in love with how cute the little creatures were, and then I found out that she had an Etsy page, and her shop empties very quickly. So she is a solo operation. She only makes these things like 3 or 4 at a time usually, and within minutes of her listing things on Etsy, they're gone. So I was very, very lucky to be able to get myself an uncanny creature, and I have it here in this box, and I'm going to open it up for you guys. There was like an airmail wrapper on it that had my address on it in huge letters, so I didn't want that to be shown, and I've pre-cut the box a little bit. Standard cardboard box here, and I'm gonna open him up. Oh boy! Okay, so when we open it up, we have packing peanuts, and we've got our little creature here all wrapped up and nice and cozy. So I'm gonna dig him out, see if there's anything else in here that I need to look at. And this is what we get. This is our uncanny creature. Let's open him up. I'm so excited. I love the little sticker here. Try and not mess that up. So we've got black tissue paper, and then green tissue paper. God, the suspense is killing me. I have to see him. I already saw him because I saw what he looked like when I ordered him, but oh my god! Okay, so here he is. Here is my little uncanny creature. Isn't he cute? I love him! He's a little, like, I don't know if this is a bear or a bunny or what, but he's got little feet. He's got little feet, and he's got realistic looking little teeth here, and blood red eyes. He sort of reminded me of, this blue paper too, by the way. He sort of reminded me a lot of like a little vampire, but like a little vampire whose teeth weren't quite sharp enough. So he got rejected from his little vampire crew, and he's now here with me. This is so cute. Now, they had bigger ones, of course. They had, she has bigger uncanny creatures, and then she has smaller ones, but I mean, the attention to detail on these is insane. Like, the detail on the teeth, I don't know if my camera will even do it justice. The detail on the painting on the teeth is crazy. She trims the hair around the eyes just so. It's just such a cool little collectible to have, and he needs a name. I feel like he needs a name. So if you have an idea for a name for this little guy, leave it in the comments down below. As I squeeze him, he's very firm. And these are not meant to be like toys you would buy for children. These are more collectible art pieces. So they're definitely on the pricier side. This little guy with shipping was something like $50 something. It was like $51 or $53. But he is so worth it. He's so little and cute, and I cannot wait to get my office set up and my studio set up, because he's gonna go right in there. So cute, so kind of, I love the combination of the eyes and the mouth, you know what I mean? And he's black, so you can't really see the details on the face that much, but she does make brown ones, she made pink ones, she made a blue one the other day, she makes bears, she makes bunnies, she makes this little guy who I want to say is like a bunny or a bear, I don't know. What do those ears say to you? Bunny? Cat? Bear? But they're just, I mean, it's a really interesting little piece, and he's very soft. He's very nice and soft and fuzzy, and I think he's going to be the perfect addition to my office space. I like the, you know, like I was saying to you guys, the attention to detail on these is insane. Like the way she painted the teeth so they actually look like real teeth, and then the bottoms of the feet are felt and they're stitched around so it looks like little feets, and he can stand up on his own. I love these. I'm gonna link her Etsy page in the description so you guys can pick one of these up. They range in price anywhere from as little as $40 or $50 to as many as $80 to $100. Obviously the ones that are $80 to $100 are significantly bigger than this guy, but I figured, you know, this was the guy who kind of called my name. He's very me, you know, he's very dark and very kind of little goth kid, and I just love him so much. He's so cute. Was just unbox this little guy for you guys and let you know about this artist, Anna at Uncanny Creatures, and how fantastic her work is. Seeing it in person, I'm even more impressed. He is so cute and so kind of, he fits perfectly in the hands, and he's very endearing and adorable and creepy, but I absolutely love him. So feel free to visit her page, Uncanny Creatures, on Etsy. She's absolutely fantastic. Her customer service is wonderful. My shipping address is a P.O. box, and because she lives in the UK, she wasn't used to dealing with P.O. boxes, so she actually reached out to me and messaged me to make sure that I would be able to get a package to that box. So like the attention to detail and the attention to customer service is really fantastic. She's very, very nice, and her work is wonderful, as you can see by this little cutie right here. Definitely check her out. I know this is a short video this week, but I got this in the mail and I was just gonna tear into it, but I was like, no, I have to unbox this for the faithful, because they would just, like, if you're like me and you're a fan of like creepy cute kind of things, you would just absolutely love these little guys, and I love him. Like, I wish he could just ride on my shoulder all the time. If you have any name ideas, put them in the comments down below. I'm definitely open to name suggestions for that little dude. And in the meantime, I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt, you know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options now. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the faithful today. I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!